Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file an RBI complaint. First, you must have already tried to resolve your issue directly with the regulated entity, such as your bank or non-banking financial company. If they fail to provide a satisfactory resolution within 30 days or do not respond at all, you are eligible to proceed with an RBI complaint. This scheme ensures fair and timely redressal for deficiencies in service, protecting consumer interests effectively. Before approaching the Reserve Bank, it is crucial to first contact your financial institution directly regarding your grievance. Maintain meticulous records of your communication, including dates, names, and any complaint reference numbers provided. This initial step is mandatory and demonstrates your efforts to seek a resolution at the primary level. Having this documentation ready will be essential if you need to escalate your concern further. To file your complaint, navigate to the Reserve Bank of India's official website. Look for the Complaint Management System or RBI Integrated Ombudsman Scheme section. This dedicated online portal is user-friendly and provides a secure platform for lodging your grievance. Ensure you are using the correct, official website to protect your personal information and ensure proper submission of your complaint. When filling out the complaint form, accuracy is paramount. Provide your complete personal details, including a valid email address and phone number for communication. Articulate your grievance clearly and concisely, including specific dates, amounts, and the names of any involved parties. Remember to upload all relevant supporting documents, like bank statements or email correspondence, as these provide crucial evidence for your claim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.